Are you ready to unlock your creative potential with a Cricut machine? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is right for you. Cricut empowers creativity with 7 different cutting machines. There's the Cricut Joy, the Cricut Joy Xtra, the Cricut Explorer Air 2, the Cricut Explorer 3, the Cricut Maker, the Cricut Maker 3, and the Cricut Venture. And I'm sure there's one that caters to your personal crafting style and budget. Hi everyone, I'm Felicia. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I've been using Cricut machines since 2018, and I've personally bought them all. I've since sold my Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine, which is why it's not here. In this video, I'm going to share with you the key differences between all Cricut machines to help you make an informed decision so you'll know exactly which machine is right for you. Before you decide which model to buy, think about this. Do you want to work on small projects like cards or larger items like clothing or home decor? Do you need to cut a wide range of materials including fabrics, leather, or wood? How much are you willing to invest in a Cricut machine? That's probably the biggest question. To help those new to Cricut, let's talk about a few terms first. Design Space is the software used to design projects and works with all Cricut machines, and it's free. You can subscribe to what's called Cricut Access, which gives you access to thousands of images, projects, and fonts. But subscribing is not required to use the software. If you do choose to subscribe, the cost is about $10 per month. There is no other software on the market that will connect to Cricut machines, although you can create images in other software and import them into Design Space to use with your Cricut machines. I hope that makes sense. Materials are the items Cricut machines can cut and include paper, cardstock, vinyl, leather, wood, fabric, just to name a few. Some machines can cut 50 different materials, while others can cut 300 different types. But is it really 300? I mean, vinyl is vinyl whether it's removable, permanent, heat transfer, glitter, holographic, or glow in the dark. You get the idea, but settings can vary from each, which is why they list them individually. Smart vinyl is a special type of vinyl designed to work seamlessly with Cricut machines. The key difference between smart vinyl and regular vinyl is that smart vinyl doesn't require a cutting mat. This means that you can simply load the vinyl into your Cricut machine and start cutting, saving you time and effort. If you're not working with smart vinyl or you're using pieces of scrap vinyl, you're going to need a Cricut mat. These have a sticky surface where materials like cardstock or vinyl are placed before cutting. Mats are required if you aren't using smart vinyl and comes in different sizes depending on the machine you're using. All Cricut machines have 2 things in common. They all use Design Space software and they all have wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Now let's jump in and take a look at each one of these machines. The Cricut Joy is a compact yet powerful machine and ideal for beginners or those seeking a portable crafting solution. It's the smallest machine Cricut makes, and because of its size, it's easy to take on the go. Take it with you when you go on vacation, to craft with friends, or on family visits. With the Joy, you can cut, write, draw, and even foil projects, making it versatile for a wide variety of cutting needs. It's designed for quick everyday projects like card making, labels, and small-scale cutting tasks. The Joy can cut up to 50 different materials, including artboard, cardstock, iron-on, paper, plastic, and vinyl. You can use smart vinyl for a wider cutting width of 5 inches or place material on a mat and cut up to 4.5 inches wide. The Joy can use a fine point blade and foil transfer tool, and you can also use pens and markers for writing and drawing. While it may have limitations compared to larger machines, its simplicity and ease of use is what makes it perfect for beginners. So if you're a new or occasional crafter and portability is important to you, the Cricut Joy is an excellent choice. It's a great way to start your crafting journey without breaking the bank. It sells for $179, but Cricut puts their machines on sale frequently. The Cricut Joy Xtra is a bigger, bolder, more versatile version of the Joy and ideal for sticker lovers. The Joy Xtra offers similar features and functions and uses the same tools as the Joy. While both machines can cut the same materials and use the same tools, the Joy Xtra has a wider cutting area of 8.5 inches with smart vinyl, or place vinyl on a mat and cut up to 4.5 inches wide. Besides the side differences between the 2 machines, the Joy Xtra stands out for its ability to use the print and cut functionality. This is the feature needed to create stickers. So if you're looking for a more capable machine with a wider cutting area and the ability to make stickers, the Cricut Joy Xtra is a great choice. It sells for $199, but look for those sales on Cricut's website. Cricut makes two machines in the Explore series, the Air 2 and the Explore 3. Both are designed for intermediate to advanced crafters. They allow you to cut, write, draw, foil, and score projects faster than the Joy or Joy Xtra. Both of these machines cut at 100 different materials that expand beyond paper and vinyl into thicker materials like craft foam, leather, bonded fabric, felt, and even wood veneer. This means you can create a wider range of projects. Where there's a difference between the two exists in the cutting materials. The Air 2 does not accept smart vinyl, so all materials have to be placed on a mat, which means the max width of materials is no more than 12 inches wide. The Explore 3 can cut up to 13 inches wide with smart vinyl or place materials on a mat and cut up to 12 inches. Because the Explorer can cut smart vinyl, it can cut things twice as fast. The Cricut Explorer Air 2 and the Explorer 3 are great options if you're looking for a more powerful machine that cuts more materials at a wider width. The only new, not refurbished Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine I see on Cricut's website today is sold in a bundle for about $300. So it makes me wonder if they're phasing this model out. The Cricut Explorer 3, the machine itself, no bundles, sells for $319, but again, Cricut puts them on sale all the time. The Cricut Maker and the Cricut Maker 3 are the ultimate powerhouses designed for advanced crafters with more power and tools. It can do all the things the other machines can do and more. It can cut 300 different materials and materials up to 3 millimeters thick. The difference between the Maker and the Maker 3 is in the type of cutting materials. The original Maker doesn't accept smart materials, so all materials have to be placed on a mat, which means the items you're cutting can be no more than 12 inches wide. The Maker 3 can cut up to 13 inches wide with smart vinyl, or you can place material on a mat up to 12 inches. Because the Maker can use smart vinyl, it can cut twice as fast. Both makers can cut, write, draw, foil, score, engrave, deboss, and perforate. It uses all the tools Cricut has to offer, and each tool does something different. I'll follow up later in this series of videos with one that focuses on those tools specifically and show you how they work. If you're looking for a cutting machine that can handle demanding projects, offers advanced features, and provides exceptional precision, the Cricut Maker or the Cricut Maker 3 are excellent choices. These are ideal for serious crafters who want to take their projects to the next level. At the time of making this video, the Maker is not sold on Cricut's website. You can get a refurbished or open box version if you'd like, or the Maker 3 sells for $429 when it's not on sale. And finally, the Cricut Venture. This is the biggest of all machines, but that doesn't mean it does the most. The Venture is a high-speed precision cutting machine designed for commercial use. It operates at commercial speeds while maintaining exceptional precision, even at cutting speeds of up to 25.4 inches per second. It's capable of making extra long cuts, handling single images up to 12 feet and repeated images up to 75 feet. The Venture supports multiple functions including writing, drawing, scoring, foiling, and even print uncut. Like the Explorer 3, it cuts 100 materials. It works with smart vinyl in widths of either 13 inches or 25 inches. The Cricut Venture features a 45-degree table-friendly design with built-in mat supports. This machine is the most expensive one Cricut offers, but just because it's the most expensive machine doesn't mean it has all the features you may want. The Venture is a powerful machine for serious crafters, small businesses, or anyone looking to elevate their crafting projects with professional level capabilities, efficiency, and versatility. The Venture sells for $999, but again, look for those sales. Okay, I know that was a lot, but understanding the strengths and limitations of each machine will help you make an informed decision. Take into consideration, what kind of projects do you want to create? What materials are you interested in working with? And what is your budget? Remember, the best Cricut machine for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Once you've made your decision, check Cricut's website for pricing. They put their machines on sale frequently. Why spend full price if you can get it on a deal? Hope this video has clarified the options and helped you determine which machine is right for you. If you have any questions or want to see more detailed comparisons, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafting tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!